Lap 2 looks like Logan lapped him. Ah, there goes Logan. There's Curtis. Oh, Curtis is gonna cheat. Curtis cheats! Cheater! Oh no!
Logan just went up, crashed on the diesel and right into the trees, and he's like, oh shit! So, how did you not hit that, or did your mom put that back in? He crashed right into that. Oh, that's what stopped you. The plow went down, eh? You should be lucky. If the plow never went down, you might have been way over there. That would have hurt. Yeah. This thing's running as good as you could expect right now. Forward, reverse. Even has a brake. Can it do, no, that's a little bit jerky, but it's getting better. Even the hydraulic cylinder here works. I don't know how long ago I stopped recording, but again, I don't know how long ago I stopped recording, but even the lift cylinder is working. That's good. Oh my God. I don't know how many times I'm going to stop recording, but lift cylinder is working. Engine's running good now. So, forward works good, reverse works good, engine runs good. I'm just trying to get the hydrostatic drive a little bit backfire there. I'm trying to get the hydrostatic transmission hot so I can make sure she's still going to function when she's hot. Wow, the worst things he could have hit, possibly. These were all sticking in the ground here, and look how bent this one is.
Only 5 new grounding rods.
Yeah, at least I don't own you a no greenhouse. So.
Yeah, look at your tire marks. You literally just missed the corner of that. You came down here, you went right over top all this firewood, and how did you move the firewood? Oh, the plow, I guess. It was all stacked in there, and now it's out here. And then right
earlier, which fucked me over here.
Here's where the plow hit the ground. And if that plow wouldn't have hit the ground, you would have
right into there.
Yeah. And I was watching out the back, and you could see where he dragged it up to before he realized how to stop it. Dead man clutch. I looked back and you're on like one wheel. Coming out of that, he was like pulling a catwalk out of that bump.
And I still survived, and so did the tractor.
But he's scared shitless. He says he'll never drive it again.
We're back on it right now.
I know, I'm bugging you. But you see, Logan, that thing has enough power to get away from you. Oh, and when you came down this hill here,
I put it in third gear and full throttle.
yeah, I'm actually surprised you didn't go right
into the shelter.
I was surprised I didn't hit that.
Look at this is from your front wheel dragging.
And then of course he overcorrected and nearly went into the greenhouse.
And I was surprised I didn't hit that.
Yeah, that would have been fun here. You know something? That new camera I just put up does see down there.
Does it?
Yeah, and
We'll see, it might.
but it doesn't see around.
No, I don't think you get it.
Yeah, it wouldn't show the wood anyway.
Shit, just by one spot, eh?
Yeah, I know.
It was over here.
Why wasn't I recording that?
No.
I need a GoPro.